Okay, number 57. They've given us the same sort of problem, only they've attached something over here that's going to basically just add a step to our work. So we need to get that 8 over there before we can do our thing. So get that out of there. And now we end up with absolute value of 5x plus 1 is less than or equal to 24. And now we can write it once as a positive and once as a negative. So we got 5x less than or equal to 24. Draw your little separation so you don't mix up your work. 5x plus 1. And now we're going to negate the 24, so we've got to actually turn the sign around to keep the logic straight. If we negate that side, we've got to switch the less than, greater than sign. Now we just work it down like we did all the other ones. -1, -1, that's gone. 5x less than or equal to 23. And then we divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is a 1. 1 times x is just x. Less than or equal to, 5 goes into 23, 4 with 3 left over, so 3/5 remaining. And now we go over here and we end up with, that's gone, -25. 5x is greater than -25, so divide by 5 to get rid of that. Divide by 5, and now we've got x greater than or equal to what is basically -5. Now if we graph it, we're going to go from a -6, -5, -4, we've got to make it all the way to +5, so we're going to make this small enough. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll go ahead and go to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so what we're looking at is x is, you can look at either one you want, x is greater than or equal to -5. So greater than or equal to -5 means there's a closed dot and it's going to go that way. But this one says x is less than or equal to 4 3/4, or 3/5, excuse me, so 4 3/5. We'll have to cut this into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's 3/5, 1, 2, 3, so right here we'll have a closed dot because it is less than or equal to, and x less than or equal to this, so this heads this way as this one, x greater than or equal to -5 heads this way, so what we basically have is an AND situation because it's in between. So we can write our equation where we have the smaller number. Let's write the smaller number on the left. -5 is the smaller number, and x is greater than or equal to that. So if we write it like this, x really is greater than or equal to that, and then it's less than or equal to the 4 3/5. So smaller number, larger number, and then larger number yet. So x is the region, that's what this is saying, is that x is the region between this small number and this larger number. And that's how you do that one. It's a little bit more technical than the others.